Hi, this is 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the SanDisk Extreme Pro portable SSD. This is the whopping 2 terabyte version. It comes in different sizes, and as you can see, it has 2000 in speed. More details below the video in the description. So here's the drive itself. Fits in the palm of your hand. There's a SSD in here. Different design. It has the metal on the inside here where you can put a attachment, and it has the USB Type-C port right here, and this is the USB 3.2 as well. Here's some more details. You can pause the video. This is 3.2 Gen 2 times 2, so it's 20 gigabit a second. So you need a computer that can handle that speed. It comes with 2 cables, USB Type A to a USB Type-C, and a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, along with the SanDisk SSD safety and warranty guide. You can get these now. Again, you can get them in different sizes, but the speed is there with all the different sizes. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.